Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft certification on Upwork profile. This is a great way to showcase your professional credentials and stand out to potential clients who are looking for certified experts in Microsoft technologies. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll land on your Upwork dashboard where you can access all your profile settings and job opportunities. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select your profile. This will take you to your main profile page where you can edit and update your professional information. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down through the different sections. You're looking for the certifications area. When you find it, you'll notice a plus button right beside the certifications heading. Click on this plus button to begin adding your new certification. After clicking the plus button, you'll be presented with options for adding your certification. Select Add Manually. This option gives you full control over entering all the specific details of your Microsoft certification. The first field you'll encounter is for the certification name. Type in your Microsoft certification name here. Be specific and use the official certification title to maintain credibility and accuracy. Next, move to the provider field. Enter the provider information in the designated space. For Microsoft certifications, this would typically be Microsoft or Microsoft Learn. Now it's time to set the dates for your certification. Click on the calendar picker to select your issue date. Choose the month and year when you received your certification. This helps clients understand how current your expertise is. Following that, you'll need to set the expiration date. Click on the calendar picker again and select when your certification expires. Some Microsoft certifications are valid for a specific period, so make sure you enter the correct expiration date. In the description field, enter a brief overview of what the certification covers. This is your opportunity to explain the skills and knowledge areas that this certification validates. Keep it concise but informative enough for clients to understand your expertise. If you have them available, you can optionally add your certification ID and URL in the designated fields. The certification ID helps verify authenticity, and the URL can link directly to your Microsoft credential page, adding an extra layer of credibility to your profile. Finally, when all the information is filled in accurately, click Add Certification. Your Microsoft certification will now appear on your Upwork profile, making you more attractive to clients seeking certified professionals. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.